So good morning children. So today our topic is operation of real numbers. So let us see what is operation of real number. Operations means what? You know already. Operation means multiplication, division, addition or subtraction. That is called operation. And what are the operators are there in mathematics? How many operators? One is what? Plus sign. Another one is what? Minus sign. Another one is multiplication and divide sign. These are the operator and operation, subtraction, multiplication, addition and division. These are called what? Operation. Okay. So today we will see how to operate operate a what? Real number. Real numbers, you know, it may be a rational number, it may be a irrational number. That rational number and that irrational number we already discussed in our last class. Okay. So here we will see how to operate what? Real numbers. It may be rational, it may be rational, it may be irrational. So let us discuss the first one. Okay. Suppose you see, you already know root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10. These are all what? Irrational numbers. Okay. If you can find out the square root of a number directly, okay, it is what? Rational number. In a very simple way, if you want to learn, suppose root 4. It is root 4. Whether root 4 is a rational or irrational number. Root 4 is a what? Root 4 is a rational number. How it is an irrational number? You see, root 4 means what? 2. Square root of 2 is 4 is what? 2. So root 2 is a what? It is a rational number. It is a rational number. So similarly, root 9. Root 9 is what? What is the square root of 9? This is 3. This is a rational number. Okay. Similarly, can you tell me the next rational number? Means in a very simple way, the square number, if you find out the square root of a square numbers, it is a what? Rational number. Let us say root 16. What is the square root of 16? This is 4. 4 is a what? Rational number. But this root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10, these are not a what? These numbers inside what? The square root symbol. These are all what? Not a square number. So these are all what? Irrational numbers. So remember that one first. Okay. So let us see. Let us go to our main topic, that is operation of real numbers. Now, first we will see addition. Let us see how to do the addition of real numbers. Suppose 3 root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal to, okay, 3 root 5 plus 5 root 5. What will be the answer? So 3 plus 5 is equal to what? 8 and root 5 root 5. Okay? Is it clear to you that one? 3 root 5 plus root 5 is equal to 5 root 5 is equal to what? 8 root 5. For addition, remember in algebra also you will learn x plus x is equal to what? Twice x. Twice x plus 3x is equal to what? 5x. Like this you have learned or not? Okay. Means for addition the variable should be what? Like. The term should be like. Then only you can add it. Understood? Is it clear? Means one apple, another mango is equal to, can you write the answer? One is apple, another one is what? Mango. Both are different things. Understood? One is, no doubt, both are fruit, but one is apple and another one is mango. So you cannot add this one. So if you write like this, apple plus one apple is equal to what? 2 apple you can write. Understood? So similarly here also, 3 root 5 plus 5 root 5 is equal to, suppose if I will give you one more example. 7 root 5 plus 3 root 3. 7 root 5 plus 3. We cannot add this to 1. This will be the answer. You cannot move further because both are what? Different terms. Okay, you can say. This is root 5, this is like this. दो अपेल को प्लस हम कर सकते हैं because both are same fruit. One apple plus one apple is equal to how many apple? 2 apples. One apple plus one mango you cannot add. Similarly here also. Remember that one. With an example, I have given this one. Okay? One apple plus one apple is equal to 2 apple. Similarly here, 3 apple plus 5 apple is equal to 8 apple. Okay? So here also 7 apple plus 3 mango, you cannot add it because both are different terms. Okay? So now you see here, in this case, when you add two irrational number, these are both irrational number. Remember, these are both irrational number. When you add two irrational number, you get the answer what? Irrational number. Here also you are adding two irrational numbers. Okay? Two irrational number I am adding, I am getting the answer. You cannot add this one. Your answer will be this one only. Means I am getting a what? Irrational number only. Correct? So similarly, root 3 plus root 3. Yes? What will be the answer? 1 root 3 plus 1 root 3. You have to see the coefficient here. 1 root 3 plus 1 root 3 is equal to what? 2 root 3. Okay? So, two irrational number I am adding, I am getting what? Irrational number. Clear? Similarly, suppose 3 plus root 3. One irrational number, one rational number I am taking and one irrational number I am taking. What is the result? Rational plus irrational. This is rational. What will be the answer here? Both are different. Also, you cannot add. Answer. Your answer will be this one only. Means 3 plus root 3 only. Okay. So, what type of number this one? This is what? Irrational number. So, what conclusion we get here? Means if we add irrational number plus irrational number is equal to what? I will get one. You will get the answer irrational only. Okay. Similarly, if you add a rational number with a what? Irrational number, here also you will get a what? Irrational number. Is it clear to you? Alright? Now come to the next one. Next one is what? Subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, so let us take 3 minus root 3. One rational number I am taking and one another irrational number I am taking. Can you tell me what will be the result? First of all, can you find the difference? 3 minus root 3? Yes, you cannot because you see this is a different one and this term is also what? This number is also different, this number is also different. So your answer will be what? 3 minus root 3 only. You cannot do it. So it is irrational. Correct? So similarly, if I write 2 root 3 minus root 3, can you subtract this one? Here I am taking what? Irrational number and irrational number. 2 root 3 minus root 3. Now you see both the terms are same or not? 2 apple minus 1 apple. 2 apple minus 1 apple. So how many apple will left? 1 apple means root 3. 2 root 3 minus root 3 is equal to root 3 means 1 root 3. So what type of number this is? This is also a irrational number. So what we came to know with the help of this example? We came to know if we subtract one rational number minus another irrational number, you will get the answer irrational only. Similarly, irrational minus irrational, you will get a what? Irrational only. Is it clear to you? Okay, rational minus irrational is equal to irrational, and irrational minus irrational is equal to, you will get what? Irrational only. Remember that one. Okay, these are, now we will see for what? Multiplication. Multiplication is little bit different. Remember that one. Okay, let us see multiplication. It is little bit different from what? That previous one, that is addition and subtraction. Now, root 3 into root 3. First of all, before going to root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 is equal to what? Root 9. Remember, this is what? Root 9. And root 9 means what? 3. Square root of 9 is what? 3. Correct? So, root 3 into root 3 directly you can write what? 3. How we get the answer? 3? This is the reason. Okay? Root 3 into root 3, root 9. Root 9 means 3. Okay? Now, let us say root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is what? Root 25. Root 20. What is the square root of 25? What is the square root of 25? It is 5. Okay? So, simply root 5 into root 5 you can write 5. Root 4 into root 4, directly you can write 4. Root 7 into root 7, directly you can write 7. Root 8 into root 8, directly you can write 8. Root 9 into root 9, directly you can write 9. Okay, but if you write like this, root 5 into root 7. Yes, root 5 into root 7. Root 5 into root 7 is equal to what? Root 35. It is not a square number. 35 is not a square, so you cannot find out the square root directly. So root 5 into root 7 is root 35 only. Okay? So similarly, 3 root 3 into 3. Can you tell me what will be the answer? Yes. 3 root 3 into root 3. Here you see, first you multiply this one. 3 into 1, here 3. Okay? And root 3 into root 3. 3. So is equal to what? 9. Correct? 3. Here what is there? 1 is there. So 3 1s are 3. Then root 3 into root 3. It is 3. So 3 into 3. So is equal to what? 9. So like this you can multiply. Let us see some more example. 5 root 2 into 2 root 3. What will be the answer? 5 to the 10. Here multiplication, whether the terms are like or unlike, it does not matter. Okay, you can multiply directly. Root 2 into root 3, root 6 directly you can write down. Is it clear? Okay. So, in this from this example, what we came to know, if we multiply two irrational number, here in this case, if we multiply two irrational number, you will get a what? Rational number. In this case also, if you are multiplying two irrational number, you are getting a what? Rational number. Here also, you are multiplying two irrational number, but the answer you are getting here irrational number. Irrational into irrational, irrational. Here also, you see, irrational into irrational, the answer you are getting 9. 9 is a what? Rational number. Clear? So here irrational into irrational, you are getting what? Irrational. So when you multiply a rational number with a irrational number or irrational number with a rational number, sometime you may get rational number and sometime you may get what? Irrational number also. Alright? So that much about the operation of real numbers, addition, subtraction and what? Multiplication. The division thing, for division we have to see another topic, that is rationalizing. So if you will complete the rationalizing the denominator, the next topic, then only you can divide a irrational number rational number by irrational number or irrational number divided by irrational number. So for doing the division one, we have to do the rationalizing the denominator. So let us learn what is the rationalizing of denominator and how to do the rationalizing of a denominator. So let us see this. Now you see our next topic is rationalizing the denominator. Okay? So what does it mean? Rationalizing of denominator. So let us try to discuss this one. Okay. Now rationalizing of the denominator. Suppose here I am writing 1 by root 3. This is the first example I am giving. 1 by root 3. Now you see in the denominator what is there? An irrational number is there. Is it correct? Whether in denominator a rational number is there or an irrational number is there. So in denominator you see it is what? What is there? An irrational number is there. Okay. Now you have to make the denominator rational. Is it clear? You have to make the denominator what? Rational. So that process is called rationalizing the what? Denominator. So in this topic we will learn how to rationalize a denominator. Okay. So from a very simple question to little big big I will go. Okay. So now let us take this example 1 by root 3. Okay. So here what is there? In denominator rational number, irrational number. So let us try to make it rational. 1 by root 3. So what you do if the question is like this? Only single term is there in the denominator. Just you multiply this rational number by the denominator by the what? Denominator. Okay. क्या हमने इसमें डिनोमिनेटर में क्या था? रूट 3 था. तो रूट 3 को हमने न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर से इसका न्यूमरेटर और इसका डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. ओके. सो नाउ रूट 3 into 1 रूट 3 into रूट 3 हो गया. इज इट क्लियर? फिनिश्ड. नाउ डू यू सी द डिनोमिनेटर become what? Rational. Okay. The denominator become rational. Let us take one more example. 1 by 2 root 3. Here also 2 root 3. This is an irrational number. You know, rational into irrational is equal to what? Irrational number. Okay, it is an irrational number. So let us try to rationalize it. 1 by 2 root 3 into what? Root 3. 2 root 3 से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. So 1 into root 3, 3. 2 into 1, 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So it is equal to what we got? 3 by root 3 by 6. The denominator become what? A rational number. Clear? Is it clear to you or not? So let us take some more examples. One by root 5 plus root 3. Okay. So 1 by root 5 plus root 3. This is a little bit different from the another one. Now how to rationalize this one? Let us discuss. Okay. Now in the previous question, in denominator how many terms are there? Only one term is there. So here two terms are there, root 5 and what? Root 3. Okay. Root 5 plus root 3. This is an irrational number, you know. Now to rationalize the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate. What is the meaning of conjugate? Don't worry, it is a little different term. I think first time you have learned the conjugate. Conjugate means just take the opposite sign of this one. If it is plus, you take minus. If it is minus, you can take what? Plus. Just इसका जो sign है उसका उल्टा कर. Okay, just take the opposite. Plus होने से minus, minus होने से plus. Okay, तो क्या करना है? What we have to do here? We have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. So root 5 इधर में प्लस था, so माइनस हो गया, माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर. Is it clear? So now 1 into root 5 minus root 3. Okay, 1 into root 5 minus root 3 is root 5 minus root 3 only. Correct? Both are different term. आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं इधर में. Now here a plus b into a minus b. You see, a plus b into a minus b. One formula, do you remember? In algebra you have done a plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus what? B square. Correct? So in place of a, what is there? Root 5 is there. In place of b, what is there? Root 3 is there. So a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Alright. So just in place of this one you write a square minus b square. A is root 5 square minus b. B is what? Root 3 square. So what we got? Root 5 minus root 3. Okay? Root 5 minus root 3 divided by root 5 square. Root 5 square means root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5 is 5 minus root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. This is what? 3. So what we got? Root 5 minus root 3 divided by 5 minus 3, 2. Okay? So such type of numbers or rational numbers you can rationalize like this. Okay? Is it clear? Now let us take one more example. Suppose root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5. Okay? It is little bit different from the previous one. So similarly in this question also you have to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate means the denominator what sign is there? Minus. So just take the opposite of minus, that is plus. Means आपको क्या करना है? What you have to do? आपको numerator और denominator को root 3 plus root 5 से minus multiplication कर देना. You have to multiply it. Okay. So root 3 plus root 5 divided by root 3 minus root 5. This is the question. So multiply it what? You have to multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So root 3 plus root 5. Here root 3 plus root 3. Okay? ये क्या हो रहा है? a plus b whole square में आ रहा है कि नहीं? a root 3 plus root 5 into root 3 plus root 5. It is in a plus b whole square. If you can't apply a plus b whole square directly, you can multiply also. Okay, I will multiply this one directly. Means root 3 multiplied by this whole root 3 into root 3 plus 5. Plus here root 5 multiply this one root 5 into root 3 plus root 5. Okay, so let us see. Now you see in the denominator a minus b into a plus b. This formula, which identity, algebraic identity you can apply? A square minus b square. A square minus b square is what? Is a plus b into a minus b means a square minus b square. B means what? Root 5 square. Okay? So let us simplify the numerator. Root 3 into root 3. Yes. Root 3 into root 3. 3 plus root 3 into root 5. Root 15 plus root 5 into root 3. What? Root 15 plus root 5 into root 5. Root 5 into root 5. Yes. 5. Correct? Now root 3 square, 3 into root 3 into root 3, 3 minus root 5 is square, root 5 into root 5, this is 5. Okay? So is equal to, now add the like terms. What is the like term of 3? It is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 plus root 15 plus root 15 is 2 root 15 divided by 3 minus 5 minus 2. Okay, is equal what we will get. So in standard form, the minus should not be in the denominator. Bring it to numerator. Minus 8 minus 2 root 15 divided by 2. Okay, so if you minus कहाँ चला गया? Numerator में चला गया. Okay, because in denominator minus should not be there. Okay, clear? So you can take 2. So here I am writing this one. Here you can take minus common and 2 common. So 2 4 are 8 minus root 15. So divided by 2. So 2 cancel. So what will you get? Minus 4. So it is plus. Minus you have taken common. So become plus 4 plus root 15. So this is the answer. You see, denominator become what? A rational number. Okay. So that much for today's class. Hope you understood what is the rationalizing the denominator, and you also understood how we can do the operation of what? Real number. So thank you very much and have a nice day.